Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hard reset Motorola Edge 50 Pro by using the recovery mode. So in order to do that, what we need to do first is turn off our device, so you can use the power button or power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open this window. Then choose power off. Once the device is off, we need to press and hold the power button and the volume down button. Press and hold both of these buttons at the same time for a few seconds until you see this menu. Now we need to navigate through this menu by using volume up or down buttons until we find the recovery mode. Once you have the recovery mode, accept this mode by pressing the power button. Now after a few seconds we will see the hello Moto text once again, and then we have no command. So now press the power button, and while holding the power button, press the volume up button. So let's do that. Now we are in the recovery mode. We need to scroll down using the volume down button until we have the wipe data / factory reset. So now we need to confirm by pressing the power button, and then we need to scroll down one more time by pressing the volume down button and then choose factory data reset. After that we will perform the factory reset. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.